Birds for sale. Two boys of about 11 years of age were walking down the sidewalk in my neighborhood with their shirts off. One of them moved behind the other to make room for me. The one who was leading shouted, "Birds for sale! Birds for sale!" It was one of the last hot days of spring. "Birds for sale! Birds for sale!" he shouted. He carried a bird's nest in his right hand. As I passed them, I looked down into the nest and saw more than a half-dozen lizard-like creatures, nearly featherless, flopped over one another as though exhausted. "They're dead," I said. "No, they're not," said the boy carrying the nest. "They're alive, see?" He put his hand into the nest and with a nudge of his index finger lifted one of them up by the rear end. The bird stretched its stubby wings and opened its beak and groped blindly for a non-existent worm. "You shouldn't have taken that nest," I said. "Their mother can take better care of them than you." "I've had them for 5 days," snapped the boy. "They eat worms." He dismissed me with a wave of the hand, then moved on. "Birds for sale," he shouted to the empty streets. "Birds for sale."